ContraLoma. There's Adrian climbing. Yeah.
You need the ridge.
You want to do it?
You're gonna kill me right away.
Morning. Let's do the wall.
Let's see on top. There's always a grinder. You think I need to get a lower gear? Smaller crank?
It might help.
And just spin it out.
This is the wall. Still climbing. 17, 18%.
What do you call that mine down there?
Black diamond mines? Alright.
That's climbing. That's a diamond.
Look at that fog.
Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain, but weird.
Yeah, it's cold.
Up in Nevada City.
Yeah, nice trail over there. Although Roselle crashed, man.
Yeah, I heard. Just washed out.
Yeah, I think he said he hit a root.
Oh,
or like sticking out, something like that. So that's okay, we're gonna go up there. I always wondered, like, man, how do I get to Lime Ridge without going to the road?
Yeah.
And
then link it up with Black Tire.
Is that good?
Go to Montecito.
Montecito. This way, right? Yeah. I like it. Okay. So this is it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know this.
Ta-da! Now
I was always wondering, like, where does that go?
Where does it? Yeah, now you can.
Now I know, huh?
Link it up.
500 feet climbing. Just get some coffee and you'll be good.
Alright. Yeah, so we do our cardio loop. It's about a 5.5 minute effort. And then
you
down
go
and
down.
then scream along the front side. And then hook on again and just keep with our cyclocross. All the mountain bikers are like, what the hell is
what are those guys doing? The KOM, like 8 minutes?
It's like 8:16, 8:11.
Aww. They usually like time difference.
miles, dude.
I know, and then going back.
You have
I might
30
have
by
like a
every
lot.
time. 30. Yeah, long way back.
I know. All right.
Yeah. Thanks, dude. Thanks for the invite.
Yeah.